Hello guys and welcome on Flames Adventures. I just received my spoke wheels for my KTM 1290 Super Adventure. So let's check it out in this unboxing video. Yep. Okay, here we have the 17-inch rear wheel and it comes with a spacer strapped to the spokes. And the wheel bearings and dust seal are already fitted into the wheel. And take a closer look what a beautiful spoked wheel this is. When assembling, the spoke ends will be covered with the red rim tape and then the rubber gasket. Here is the hole for the valve and the TPMS sensor. On this side the brake disc will be mounted, and when I turn it around to the other side you see where the damping rubbers will fit. Okay, this was the spoked rear wheel. Here we have the black rubber gasket for the rear wheel. And it has a seal in the hole for the valve. And this gasket will fit over the rear wheel after placing the red rim tape. This gasket will seal off the inside of the rim to make this motorcycle wheel tubeless. In the video description you can find the part numbers. Okay, then we have the rim band, and this will fit around the inside of the wheel. And there's a cutout for the valve with the tire pressure sensor. This little box contains the valve and the TPMS sensor. Here you see the inside of the valve cap and a bolt to mount the sensor. Here the valve body and a nut to mount the valve. And then we have the TPMS sensor, which will measure the tire pressure and send it to the monitoring system. So here we have the parts together. Okay, that was it for the rear wheel. Now we have the 19-inch front wheel, which comes also with the bearings installed and a spacer to make it fit. You also have to install the rim band and the gasket, a valve with the TPMS sensor, and on both sides you have to install a brake disc which you can build over from the original wheels. Okay, this was the front wheel. Here we have the gasket for the front wheel. And again a metal seal in the hole. And when I put it next to the rear one, you see how small the front one is, so there's no way you can switch them. We also have a red rim band for the front wheel, and it's the same as the rear one but smaller. There's also a pressure sensor for the front wheel, which is the same as the one for the rear wheel. The KTM Spoke Wheels, a 19-inch front and a 17-inch spoked rear wheel. I'll put them next to each other so you can see the difference in size. This KTM wheel set should fit all the KTM 1290 Super Adventure models from 2017 to 2023. So this was my unboxing video of the KTM Spoke Wheel Set. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and I hope I see you back.